guys, it's LindsayAnn. Today we're doing the best dessert mashup ever with my banana split cookies. Okay, little disclaimer, these cookies are virtually foolproof. They're so easy. They start with a box of cake mix and banana pudding mix for flavor, and then we add in all the sundae toppings for the easiest gourmet cookie ever. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. So these cookies are super soft and tender from the cake mix. They're ultra moist and packed with banana cream flavor from the pudding mix, all laced with hints of sweet ice cream flavor because of my secret ingredient, a little sweet cream coffee creamer to make it taste like there's real ice cream in these cookies. They're so fun and so impressive, and nobody ever has to know that you used a box of cake mix to make these. The best part is these cookies are jam-packed with sundae toppings. We've got rainbow sprinkles, chopped nuts, sweet sticky cherries, all the best parts of a traditional banana split, but in cookie form. Okay, so we start with the cake mix cookie dough, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below. So in our mixing bowl goes a box of funfetti cake mix, a small box of instant banana cream pudding, melted butter, and the secret ingredient, some sweet cream coffee creamer to make it taste like ice cream. Then we add in some eggs, a little vanilla extract, and just mix that all together until the dough is nice and combined. All right, next in go the toppings. So we're gonna add our chocolate chips. Then I just took a jar of maraschino cherries and chopped those up, and just make sure you pat them dry so they don't turn the dough a red color. Then I added in some chopped nuts, but you can definitely just do extra sprinkles or toffee bits or your favorite ice cream sundae topping. If you don't want to do nuts, just get creative. Go ahead, throw it all in there. Oh my gosh, this dough looks so cool. I love seeing it come together, and you can already smell that banana cream flavor. I wish you guys were here. Then we're just gonna scoop the dough about 2 tablespoons each onto a parchment lined baking sheet, at least 2 inches apart. And then I like to go ahead and add a few extra toppings right on top for presentation, so when they bake them, they come out nice and perfect, and you get to see all the little bits of red cherry and chocolate chips and sprinkles and chopped nuts all over the top. Then we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the fridge for about an hour. I just like to refrigerate the dough before I bake them. That way it doesn't spread too much in the oven and they hold their shape. Then once your dough has had a chance to firm up a little bit in the fridge, we're gonna pop these in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're nice and golden brown and set around the edges. Oh my gosh, you guys, how could you not smile when you look at these? How much fun did these turn out? I'm like so excited about these. I can't wait to try them. Now I'm just gonna let these cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, and then we get to dig in. And if you want, go ahead and serve them up in a sundae cup and add some whipped cream and hot fudge, sprinkles, and a cherry. I also think it would be really fun if you sandwiched like a scoop of ice cream in between the cookies for like a banana split cookie ice cream sandwich. Somebody try that and then go ahead and tag me in a picture on social media. And if you know somebody who would love these cookies, be sure to share this video with them too. Alrighty, my favorite part, the taste test. Oh my gosh, they have that super soft, chewy texture. Oh my gosh, I've never had a cookie like this before. You get that hit of banana cream flavor. They're sweet, and then you get all the toppings in one bite, that sweet cherry and then the chocolate chips. These are pretty incredible. I can't get over how easy they were to make either. And if you love this recipe, you're also gonna love my banana split smoothie or my hot fudge sundae layer cake, so be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my banana split cookies. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye guys.